Did you know that 90% of dropshipping business fail within the first 120 days? And here's the kicker. It's not because of competition or bad products. It's because of these 5 deadly mistakes that most beginners make without even realizing it. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to fix these mistakes and save your business before it's too late. If you are new in this channel, subscribe my channel. Let's dive into the first mistake. Choosing the wrong product. This is where most people go wrong right out of the gate. They either pick a wrong niche that's too broad, like fitness, or they go for something so obscure that there is no demand. Here is the deal. Your niche needs to be specific, but not tiny. For example, instead of fitness, go for home gym equipment for a small space. And here is the pro tips. Use tools like Google Trends or AliExpress to validate your niche. If you are not seeing consistent interest or sale in your niche, it's time to pivot. Trust me, fixing this one mistake can double your revenue overnight. So mistake number 2 is ignoring customer service. Look, I get it. When you are just starting out, it's easy to focus on all your energy on marketing and product sourcing. But here's the truth. Your customers are the lifeblood of your business. If you're not responding their emails, addressing their concerns, or providing seamless buying experience, they're not coming back. And guess what? Bad reviews spread like wildfire. One unhappy customer can scare away dozens of potential buyers. So invest in a good customer service tools like Zendesk or hire a virtual assistant to handle inquiries. Your reputation depends on it. Mistake number 3 is having poor product descriptions. Let me ask you this. Would you buy a product if the description was bugged, had spelling errors, or didn't tell you what the product actually does? Probably not. Your product descriptions need to sell the benefits, not just the features. For example, instead of saying this blender has 100-watt motor, say make smoothies in second with this powerful 100-watt blender. Perfect for busy morning. See the difference? One tells, the other sells. And don't forget to use high quality images and videos. Show the product in action. People want to see their buying. Mistake number 4 is not testing your ads. Here is the hard truth. If you are running the same ad to the same audience without testing, you are literally burning money. You need to A/B test everything. Your headlines, images, ad copy, and even your target audience. Start with a small budget and run multiple variations of your ad. Track the metrics like CTR and conversation rate. Once you find a winning combinations, scale it up. And don't just rely on Facebook ads. Explore platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Google Ads. Diversify traffic source to minimize risk. And finally, mistake number 5, giving up too soon. Dropshipping is not get rich quick scheme. It's a business. And like any business, it takes time, effort, and persistence. I've seen so many people quit right before they were about to hit a breakthrough. Here's my advice. Set realistic expectations and give yourself at least 6 months to see real results. Track your progress, learn from your mistakes, and keep optimizing. Remember, every successful dropshipper you see today was once a beginner who refused to give up. So there you have it, the 5 mistakes are killing your dropshipping business and how to fix them. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more actionable tips to grow your online business. And if you're ready to make dropshipping aim to next level, check out the link in the description for my free guide on how to find winning product in 2025. Expect with strategies that I use to find product that sell like crazy. Thanks for watching, and remember, success with dropshipping doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategies, it's absolutely within your reach. See you in the next video.